Come on, baby. Nice. We are on and we're recording. So this is how you're going to make in Photoshop this white balance file. So I got my Photoshop down below. Here is my, where's my white balance images? Right there they are. I'm going to choose the top 5. Some people have done 2. I'm going to load those up in Photoshop. I'm going to drop them into Photoshop right here. And now they're turned sideways. I would go image rotation, counterclockwise. It's going to take me into there. I'm going to go Command minus and make that image a little smaller. I need to make a new canvas. Okay? We're going to go under, we're in Photoshop, File, New. And I'm going to choose, what does my board say up there? 22 inches by 8. And I want a white background. Why? I want to see the colors. So there's my new canvas. I go image. Image size. It gives me 22 by 8 at 300. Back to white background. I go to my first image. I should be able to tell my first images because I have the numbers here. There's 9168, 9171. So it's going to be the 68, 697 in order. Here, I need to resize my image. We do not drag our images into the new canvas. We're going to copy and paste them. For each one of these, I'm going to go image size. Make it 300 because that is the resolution we made our canvas. We must speak to it properly. I go 6, and since I have the locks on, it's going to make it 4 by 6. Now, I've got a 4 by 6 image. I'm going to go Command A or select all. Command C or copy over to my canvas. Drum roll, please. Command V, and it worked. Nice. Oh, I like the drum roll. Thank you for the drum roll. We slide this bad boy over, and I give it a little room that I can put my others in. Now, I'm done with that image. It is my AWB. So if I want, I go onto the text tool. I'm going to be red. I don't want red. Let's go like black. We'll go black down there for my text. I got a big canvas, so I'll go 24 on my sizing there, and I'm going to put AWB. Got my first one done. Now, I'm done with this guy. I can eliminate him if I want to. Don't save. I'm going to keep my original, and he just went away. My next one in number is 9169. If I did this properly, this should now be the sun. I'm going to go image rotation, counterclockwise, Command minus so I can see the whole image, Command A, Command C. What am I doing? I didn't size it, guys. Go on, you got to tell me that. Okay, image size I have to. So look at style made a mistake. I'm going to go to rotate canvas. There it is. Image size. I got to make it 4 by 6. Got to repeat all our little steps. Now I'm going to 6. Makes it 4 because this is locked in there. Now we go Command A, Command C, over to my entitled folder, Command V, to the move tool. I was in the text tool before. Slide it on over, give it a little gap in there, and now to the text tool, and that is going to be sun. S-U-N. And I don't need the M. Sum. There you go. And now I'm done with that one. 619. I can close it. I don't get confused. Now 70. This, as you see, is getting more yellow. Okay? We're getting onto the shade. I made a mistake the other day. I told you cloudy was the yellowest. It is not. Shade goes the most yellow. So now, image size. Same repeat. 300. 6. Hope you start getting this down. Command A, Command C to my canvas. Command V. It drops it right in the middle. Get off the text tool, back onto it again. And now that is my shade. Bam. Oh, we're doing so well here. Let's keep going, style. Keep it rolling, baby. I'm going to get rid of that image. Don't need it. 71. This guy made a mistake. I think they missed Cloudy, and he went to, oh no, he's got Cloudy in there. The one he turned in didn't. The one he turned in, some of these people hit Fluorescent, and they went all the way to the Fluorescent. I wanted the first 5, but if you don't have that, and you have the others, that's fine. But here you go. I made it smaller just for viewing. Now I got to make the smaller size. Always got to be into 300, everybody. 300, we print in that. We're going to make that all day long. Command A, Command C. Now when I go to my canvas, it's going to paste it right over the middle one. If I have my move tool on, it moves that one over. Why? Because that's the layer I'm on over here. If I click my layers, all my layers are behind. Right there they are. I can see that's layer number 4. Now, I'm done with that one. Oh, actually, nope. We're going to put on Cloudy, text tool, and we're going to go Cloudy. There we go. And now we can get rid of that image. Is that my 71? Yep. And now I just have the last one left. Number 72, my last little victim. And look at tungsten. Hopefully we can all see, wow, that's tungsten, because it took everything all blue. Okay. Image size, 300. There's one more tricky part coming up at the end that I want you to do. If you pay attention, Command A, Command C, over to the canvas. It always places it in the middle, but as long as I have my move tool, it takes the last one. There you go. I have my canvas now. I'm going to turn my history off. I'm going to turn actually, I'll leave my layers open. Now, I need to do the text tool yet, and I'm going to put in my tungsten. There you go. Now, I'm going to get off the text tool, back to the text tool. Why? Because at top, I'm going to put my name, WB, or white balance if you want to spell it out. And now I'm done with it. Here, I have all these layers. I don't want that. That's going to be a massive file. I'm going to go to Layer. Actually, I'm going to click on this back one. I'm going to go to Layer, and I'm going to flatten the image. Watch what happens to my layers when I flatten it. It goes to 1. It is one canvas now, one image. I can make it a lot smaller. Now I go to Save As. It says, what do you want to save it as? It lets me save as a JPEG now. I want it as a JPEG. I want it to be called your last name _ WB. It's going to save to my desktop. I hit save and make sure it's the best quality. It's a 6.5 megabyte file. If I wouldn't have flattened it, it would have been probably a 60 megabyte file. I don't want that. Minimize that you don't throw it all away and make sure you have it. I double click on it. There it is. It's in preview. It looks great. And that's what you would submit to Schoology, that image. Does that make sense? How about a little round of applause for Mr. Style? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. No, really, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Style, and I am out.